family, and today we're on a bit of a road trip. Well, say road trip, more of a train trip. I'm actually just got on a train. It's 7:05 and I'm off to Doncaster. Dad sent me on a little journey to pick up a new car, so hopefully take you on a ride, and I'll be bringing you back on a ride in a new car. So, see you in a bit. So, just arrived at Crewe train station. I've got a 20-minute wait before I get onto the next train. I've got 2 stops to make. I've got Crewe and then Stockport, and then it's straight to Doncaster, where you'll finally get to see what car I'm about to pick up for Daz. But this one should be quite special. Big power and a few added extras for you, but you'll soon see when you get there. I'll tell you more about it. So we're just about to arrive at Stockport, which is the last stop before we change and go to Doncaster. But I've got half-hour wait here, which isn't too bad, so fingers crossed. Should be quick, easy, and we'll get there and I'll be able to reveal the car that we're going to be picking up today. See you soon. On the BD Performance Instagram, having a quick look at some of the BD shots of the day. If it's something that you want to get involved in, all you've literally got to do is tag your photos with BD shot of the day. Each day we pick one winner, which goes into a monthly entry that we pick the one with the most likes. It's a free goodie bag at the end of the month, so it's definitely worth getting involved in, and there's some super cool cars to look at. So see you soon. So just arrived at Doncaster, just waiting for the owner of the car to come, which is Dean. I'm going to meet him and we'll get to finally show you the car that's coming, and now we're going to be driving home in.
Right guys, so that's the 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive Focus ST back at the unit. We're just going to give it a bit of a check over, but from the initial kind of appraisal outside, the car's in really good nick, exactly as Dean described it. This is running, I think, one of Sam's kits. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but I think it's running one of the kits that Sam actually offers. He bought a few of these ready kits or ready-made up kits to go on these vehicles, actually supplies them or installs them at your home address. He's one of the guys who pioneered this kind of setup, really. So we've just had a look underneath it. It has got a little oil leak from the feed and or return for the turbo. Just recently had that installed. It happens. Happy with the purchase overall underneath. The car's really clean. Bodywork's in okay condition for a vehicle of this age. It's only done about 80,000 miles. So I think what I paid for it, those of you that will have seen this for sale will know what I paid for it. So I'm not going to hide it. And I did give them the full asking price. I'm undecided exactly what we'll do with it as yet. It'll probably stay together as it is for now, and we'll use it, enjoy it, have some fun. We might do some mods in it. Kudos to Mark from 𝗏𝗏𝗪 who actually mapped this car. I have actually briefly driven it up the road, and it does drive an absolute dream. A little bit of wheel alignment, bit of wheel balancing, a few titivations here and there, and the car will be ready to hit the road. Maybe a few track days, see where we go from there. But for now, if you like this sort of content, then please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon to stay notified. Give this video a thumbs up because we've got more four-wheel drive content coming to the channel very soon. Let us know down below if there's something we've missed out or something that you'd like to see, or even that we do a review on this four-wheel drive setup. I think that's a given, guys and girls. But for now, it's me. This has been 𝗏𝗪 Performance. My name's Darren Evans, and we'll see you in the next video.